Welcome. In QuickHMI you can create data sources very easily and quickly, and assign variables. To do this, click in the Project Explorer in the Communication section, on Data Sources. Use the Add button to create a new data source. In this example, we create a S7 data source. For this, the data source type S7 compatible must be selected. Set a name for the data source, and determine among other things, the model, the connection type and the connection details. Even more details about the setting options, you will find in our software documentation, in the Creating Data Sources chapter. This is linked in the video description. After entering the properties relevant for the desired data source, click on Add. The S7 data source is created and displayed in the Data Source Overview. This can be edit or delete again. You also have the option of viewing all internal data sources too. This works by activating the checkbox Show Internal Data Sources. OK, now we want to add a variable to the created data source. Click on Variables in the QuickHMI Project Explorer. Select the previously created S7 data source, and name the variable. Choose a data type, and set the other specifications. A detailed description of the variable specifications, you will find in our software documentation, which is linked in the video description. Click on Add to add the finished created variable. After this, close the window or create another one. The variable for the S7 data source was created and can be used now. With this checkbox you can show all system variables. How to create all the other data source types, find out in our software documentation. Have a nice day.